I've read hundreds of novels in my life, most of them claiming that love was the center of the universe, that it could heal any damage inside of us, that it was what we need to survive.
Excuse me? I think that you're in the wrong room.
From Darcy to Heathcliff, I thought they were fools. That love was something fictional, only found in worn pages of a book. But that has all changed since I met my Elizabeth Bennet.
I dare you to make out with Hardin.
She won't do it.
This never ends well.
Do you want to do this?
I'm done playing this game.
Sex to sex.
I can't. I need to go.
The only reason he even asked her to marry him was because she wouldn't stop throwing herself
Throwing
at him.
herself at him? He was pursuing her.
She's clearly not satisfied with her life and is looking for excitement wherever she can get it.
Well, I think that it's obviously all in his head that she had any feelings for him at all. Look, whatever you're thinking, don't. Nothing happened between us, okay? I have a boyfriend.
Us. I thought we were talking about Pride and Prejudice. Tessa, let's just start over. Just reset and we can be...
What? Friends?
Well, why not? I want to show you something.
So, show me, then.
It's a place.
You know, I am gonna tell Noah about us.
Us? You mean us? If you want to dump Mr. High School, then go ahead, but don't do it on my account.
What?
Look, it was fun, but I don't date.
No. Whoa! What are you doing, man?
Sorry for how I treated you.
If you don't date, that's how you feel.
I don't think that is how I feel. I'm a mess.
I think that we're both a mess. I hate myself for what I did to him.
Tessa, it's not your fault.
Yeah, it is. Noah's my best friend. But you're so much more. Going? What's going on?
Do you trust me?
Of course I do.
Then what's the problem?
Looks like Hardin Scott just got his first injection.
You don't think I can make it happen?
Like what happened, Hardin?
Here's a dare. Make her fall in love with me. And then I'll just turn it off.
None of it was real.
That was all before.
Before what?
Before
You snapped your fingers and you turned it off.
She took my hand and led me out of the darkness and showed me that whatever our souls are made of, hers and mine are the same. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. You once asked who I loved most in this world. It's you.